Greeting from Marvin from Tech. Today I will introduce our water chlorine sensor and with the wireless model. And first I will introduce this water chlorine sensor. And first that is the red part. The red cover is used for protecting the sensor. And when you use it, it needs to remove this red cover. And also that it is based on the constant voltage potential, so it can be more durable. And the second, and when you receive it, here is the flow seal, and you just screws fix the sensor by the screws is okay. And also here you can check it. We also send you this part and this flower pipe, and here is the flow seal, flow water direction, and that is for the water inlet, and that is the water outlet, and then it can measure more crazy if you use the flow seal. And here is the matching the pipe and with the screws, and you just install the pipe by the screws, and then it can work. Okay, and that introduce, and here are the two screws for the fix the flow seal. That is for the sensor introduce. And the second, I will introduce our wireless model, and you can check it. Here is the wireless model, and it supports the 4G wireless model. And there are two parts. This part is used for 4G with our cloud server and the software, and that is the 4G antenna. And when you receive it, just connect the 4G antenna and power on it, and then that is the first step. For the second step, it needs to insert your 4G SIM card. And how to insert the 4G SIM card, and we will send this to, and you can check it. In the bottom there is a yellow button, and just click it, and then the card slot will punch out, and then put your 4G SIM card. It can work. And just keep sure that the 4G SIM card APN needs the same with that you have given to us, just because we have set the APN for you already. Okay, and that is the 4G wireless model. And then after you insert the 4G SIM card, power on it, it can work. You just log in the website and account and password to see the real-time date. And this one is a relay controller. And for this controller, you can check it. Here is now and com, and you can use one to control to make the control with your pump. And for example, if the value higher or than the set value, then it can open. And as for the value, you can also set in our software directly, and then it can work. Okay, and how to connect the sensor to the wireless model? Here is the just connect it by the waterproof connector, and then it can work, and it is very easy. And for this one, you can put the 4G antenna in the rainproof case, and then close it. And we will also send you, then close it, and we will also send you the install palette, and you can install this rainproof case in the wall. Okay, and that is the who introduced all this set, and we will also send you spare cable and for you, and that is RF45 to USB connector, and use as a spare part to make the config or wireless model or the sensor. That is a spare cable for you. You can make the config. Okay, and that is the who introduced all the system. If you have any problem, just send us inquiry. Thank you.